It's finally here. The official leaked posters of Samsung's S25 Ultra have surfaced, giving us a clear look at the visual changes in this highly anticipated phone. First, let's talk about the pictures. What are your thoughts? Initially, leaks of the Galaxy S25 Ultra appeared, but later additional images sourced from an accessory maker also popped up online. Design-wise, the phone seems to combine elements of Samsung's Fold series and S series. Notably, the camera lenses are surrounded by dark rings resembling the back camera housing of the Samsung Z Fold. These images, shared by Gizmo China, show the phone's Inspigen Crystal Flex cases. The leaked photos highlight the blue variants, which will reportedly be available in slightly different shades. The wallpaper displayed in these images is simple yet visually pleasing. What do you think about this new wallpaper design? If you notice in the front, then all the phones in the S25 lineup now has a uniform and super slim bezels, and personally I love the newish front design. Another noticeable design change in the leaked images is the presence of magnetic wireless charging support on the back of the Crystal Flex cases. While this feature was previously rumored, the leaked case images now confirm it. Magnetic wireless charging will reportedly be supported in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, as well as the base S25 and S25 Plus models. However, details about the charging speeds remain uncertain. Leaks suggest that wireless charging will maintain the same 25-watt speeds as earlier models, which might be a bit disappointing considering Chinese competitors now offer over 50-watt wireless charging. Despite the relatively unchanged design, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra looks modern and refreshing. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, this phone is set to reclaim its position as the most powerful smartphone of 2025. Regarding the launch date, Samsung's official media page recently posted a video announcing that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be unveiled on January 22nd in San Jose, California. Here is the official launch date announcement video.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
So, what are your thoughts on the new Samsung S25 Ultra design? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and reviews. Peace.